Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke Sangma, Plie ki Kamra Pule Bethamai Hari Bhoi Synod College, Balashna Hakajinglut Balakanjo Shaka Arpun Riulak, Nyopo Hajar, Tingka, Myntri Rangbah Kularu Ban Kershan Nakabenta Ban Shnai ke auditorium, Bat Ban Penbiang ki tiar put tiar tem bagi Samla Pule ki don kam hagani ke college. Ye kini ke college lasdang haus nem arjar khat nyo, bat kalong ke shlem priang jing start hagathem ri Bhoi berok kawai. Hakini kesengi Plie Kamra Pule ladon nang ki MLA ki bekentup yu Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Bak Miril Bons Aim, Bak Charles Marngar, Bak Daman Bait Lamare, Pastor Precious Timong, Principal Kinong Hikai, ki Officer Bat Bun Bak ki Riu Shempang, Bat ki Pai Bak na Kabalang Presbyterian Bat Kilong Kemilong Kepa. Haka jingkren, Myntri Rangbah ulayro ikiriu perkhat jeliu ki belasai kini ke college ban kentiwi ki Samla jong kethem ri Bhoi. Uloong ke sorkar ke don hasinda ban kershan ik jing don kam ban penbha bat penjana ik ni ke shlem penpriang jing nang jing tip. Ula kentu ik nong peniat ik nong hikai bat ke Samla Pule ban kentiu ik ni ke college kum ke wei ni ki bekensai tam ha ke district berok ke wei. Ki wei ki bakren ha ke ni ke jingalang Plie ki long u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ba Sostenus Sotun Myntri Kesin Adi ki balapen pau ke jing sngongo ye u bat ye ke sorkar bat ye Myntri Rangbah ulapen pau perthai ya ke jing yu I jingai jong u ban kentiu ke puli puthi ka kot ka khia bat bonjat ki kampen roy ha ke jela brok kawai.
Have you ever chased your dreams away? Did you ever think that life was just a highway, a never-ending road of lonely Please give a huge round of applause.
To really congratulate the governing body for the initiative of this college. You know, I have always believed, and this is something that has been engraved into our DNA, our thought process, of ensuring that human capital, as we call it, investment in the human capital, is the greatest investment you can do. While we need roads, we need buildings, we need infrastructure, but all of that is almost meaningless if we are not able to invest in human capital. If we have to see, and we would like to see, our state grow in the future, in the years to come, if we would like to see that our youngsters will be competing at the top level, we have to ensure that the right nurturing and the right guidance is given to them. Just about 2 weeks back, you all must be aware that we have inaugurated our first government engineering college in Shillong. A project pending for many, many years. Great difficulties. People only, of course, see the day the inauguration took place. But what went behind making that was very, very difficult for us. But we overcame those challenges, and today we have the first engineering college, government engineering college in Meghalaya in the form of the Shillong Engineering College. And I was telling the students that day and the faculty that we need to ensure that we are able to nurture and be able to bring out youth and the youngsters based on what requirements we see in the coming days and the years. And I was sharing with them that artificial intelligence, you'll be very surprised to know that artificial intelligence is growing by leaps and bounds, and Shillong and Meghalaya is a very, very integral part of this growth story also in one way. And just now while I was coming to this location, I got a call from one of the companies who set up their base here in Shillong, telling me that he requires 50 youths who have got AI engineering skill, which they will be training for 6 months and then employing them to work for projects under artificial intelligence directly from the US. And this is going to be done right here in Shillong, and they're looking at about 500 children in the days to come. Now I'm telling you this because I want to show you the possibilities that exist today in the world. We don't have to be closed in our mind and think that there are only 1 or 2 possibilities or areas we can work on. I want our youth to think big. And that's why I was listening to the speech of the principal when he mentioned that we have big dreams. And he was saying that we'll take time to get there, but we have big dreams. And I'm so happy to hear those words from a principal. Because if you don't have big dreams, there's no question of you achieving them. So therefore, dream big. Always dream big. Dr. Baum was mentioning about our school and the kind of investments we make. It is true. It's absolutely true. The investments government of Meghalaya makes in education, I don't think any other state government makes those kind of investments. He was mentioning about the government-aided schools, the private schools that are aided by government. Just to share the numbers with you, Nagaland, with again, no, I'm not trying to compare it to show them in bad light. I'm just giving you facts. Nagaland has 0 schools, 0 private schools which are supported by government. Arunachal has 68. Mizoram has 230. Tripura has 43. Manipur has 583. Meghalaya supports 4,172 private schools. 4,172. And as rightly mentioned by Dr. Baum, the amount of money we pay for salaries, 65% goes to the private schools. It's not to government schools. So therefore, there's a lot of effort that is being made by us to transform. But in spite of all of that, we see that our results are not up to the mark. In spite of that investment, we see that pass percentage is low, dropout rates are high. And then we look at that and say, we have a big problem of dropouts. We have a big problem of, pass percentage being low. We have a big problem because our overall ranking is very low. I just want to share with you, and I was sharing this yesterday in Amla, that is actually not the problem. A lot of times we all look at the result and we look at that as the problem. What we are talking today and telling all of you is actually what is happening, the result of the problem. Let me take a minute to tell you what is the actual problem. And I'll just give
officials in every field, be it the development of roads, the health department, agriculture, horticulture, the education department, and the overall development of the state. We could see that the state of Meghalaya is in a very fast progressing mode. It is because of the visionary leadership of a great leader, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Congratulations to Bhoi Synod College for the new classrooms that you have been sanctioned and completed through CMSDF. And I would like to inform or to tell in front of you all that not only in this college, but we could see many special fund being sanctioned by the Honorable Chief Minister. It shows that the leadership quality, the leadership role, or the dedication of our leader, the Honorable Chief Minister, for the overall development of the state of Meghalaya. The Bhoi Synod College, I know that the service that you have been serving for the students of our district, especially for the students of these particular areas. It is with the sacrifice of all the reverends, pastors, the principals, the faculty members, who unitedly serve the students who are coming to this college. And as a minister, I would like to congratulate and I would like to wish the Bhoi Synod College, right from the principal, for the service that you will be giving for the students, your continuing support for the students' community. And I'm hoping that with the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we could see more and more progress, be it education or any other departments that our state will flourish.